Gutom na ako. Gusto ko ng burger. It's burger, not burger. Look, how many times do I have to tell you? Nalinya mo nga yung mga parts na kailangan bigyan ng meaning, Emily. What if bigyan ko ng meaning tong meron tayo? What? Huh? Wala, Aidan. Sorry kalimutan ki. My faults. It's my fault, not my faults. Alam ko. Whatever. And that's it for our report, ma'am. Oh, Nipong galing mo talaga. Tapos grabe ka mag-English. Yung iba ron, hindi ko maintindihan. My blooding is nose. My nose is bleeding, not my blooding is nose. Yes, me who? What? The who is you to correct my grammarly. Gulo mo kausap? Wala ka lang sense of humorness. Humorness. Ang lukot-lukot siguro ng buhay mo, no? Gusto mo bang jowain na lang ako? It's very laughing. Oh, uwi ka na? Sabay na tayo. Total pares naman tayo ng feelings para sa isa't isa, diba? What? I mean, nasa iisang subdivision lang tayo nakatira. Okay, pero parehas tayo ng feelings para sa isa't isa, diba? Who told it you? OMG. Did you just... Marunong din naman ako mag-joke. Hindi halata. Pero hindi ko alam kung masasaktan ako sa sagot mo o matatawa eh. Pero ox lang. Ang importante, I is the like who you. It's I like you. I like it too. Beast. Wala nang bawian, Aidan. Tayo na ba? Sinasagot na kita. Shut up. Akala ko ba sabay tayo? Let's go. Ito na nga.